I mean, the first day I came for my job interview to BMC. They said, as is with any sarkari office, they were like, "Madam, resume ka 4 copy lagega, 2 copy layo." So I said, "Atta me kuthun lao copy," which is like, where do I get a copy now? And the guy's like, no, there is one copy wala. My friend Varun, who was managing the interview, said. And then he sent me out on some long-winded route in that office, and that office is huge. There are 10,000 people who work in that space every day. And he said there is only one printer that is working. So in that huge office, the one printer that was working was Nikhil's. Yeah, you can wait. You're also looking very elaborate. So I land up and I see this very handsome but very arrogant man. And I'm like, copy de do. And he looks at me and he's like, who are you? I'm a consultant here. And I'm like, well, I'm soon to be a consultant here, so maybe it would be helpful if you gave me a copy. And so that's how we met for the first time.
बातें तेरी मेरी जो हुई शुरू तो बात बन गई, ख्वाबों से भरी फिर है हमारी रात बन गई। आ चले कहीं वादियों में हम, तारों को सुनाए दास्तां। जब से हम मिले एक दूजे से, ना रहा जहां से वास्ता। तू इश्क है
दादी वगैरह में ना आवी हो, दादी सिखाते ऊपर
सफर हम सफर तो
गणपति बापा मोरया
का हुआ। तू इश्क है, तू सुकून है मेरा, मैं चांद तू आसमां। तू ही सफर हम सफर तू मेरा, तू जश्न दिल का हुआ। सफर तू मेरा, तू जश्न दिल का हुआ।
But yeah, I saw her in office and I asked Varun, I think, bro, what's her scene? So Varun told me on that day, he's like, dude, if you want to date her, you have to be willing to do it long term. Like, she's not the kind of person who's going to date you short term. She's not like going to do a fling. You have to like date her forever. So I was like, theek hai. And then we got very close. And then eventually, I think things came into place by themselves.
Down to the garden, I gotta see you, baby, one more time. When the moon hides its face, please, baby, show me yours. Everything seems out of place. Come on down, come on down. तुमको मेरा राजा ढूंढेगा, तुमको मेरा राजा ढूंढेगा, तुमको मेरा राजा
I think it was a bunch of factors. We started out as friends, and I feel like love is strongest when it is a friendship.
Hold on tonight, I'll follow you into the moonlight. Fear that makes me strong, I believe. To last the endless storm, and then to live to see the sunlight. Persistence to prevail, I believe.
And to this day, I think we are each other's best friends.
we are best friends
First.
always. Yeah,
We, I think, tell each other everything.
yeah.
In fact, if we have a surprise, our stomachs start hurting
Yeah,
because we're
can't.
like, oh, we can't tell each other. I did my own makeup by product.
Ain't no regrets in this lifetime to chase the fire alone, I believe. To last the endless storm, and then to live to see the sunlight. Persistence to prevail, I believe.
Listen to me, take your seats, everybody.
Holding on to see how life turns out, killing the fall that time, I believe. Walking on to see the lights turn on, during the time of dawn, I believe.
Since Nikhil was a baby, I've been wanting a daughter. And I couldn't have asked for a better daughter.
Mom, you're looking so beautiful. How are you? Thank you.
Every time the boy goes out, he says, "Baap re, abhi ye kisko layega?" So you're always scared whether you know, where the girl is coming from. And I'm thanking my stars, Willie. Nikhil found you, and you're just the best. And one little thing for Nikhil, I've always given him gyan. But one more thing, you have acquired a new set of parents. You do whatever you do for us, you do for them.
I can always say that Nikhil is a very simple man, and he was used to come, and myself and my husband was wondering what is the matter, why this boy is coming so many times.
One day he beckoned me, he called me like this, He said, "You know who this guy is?" I said, "Yeah, he's a friend from BMC. नहीं पूछ जरा कि क्या है करके, okay? So I said कि नहीं दोस्ती है, नहीं ये दोस्त नहीं है. I see so many people coming, but Miloni shares something different with him.
Yeah, I got it.
So I said, there is this Gujarati, Maharashtrian culture and all that. So I said, I was a bit apprehensive. What will happen? So I said, Maharashtrian hai, नहीं अच्छा है. He's a very nice boy. So I was taken aback. Then I realized my dad and Miloni are the closest. So Miloni had probably already told him, that this is the guy whom I want to get married to.
Let me wish you all the happy life, and let me tell you that Miloni is our daughter, granddaughter. We all love her, but exactly like that, we love you too.
Of course, I mean, Sapan ji ne bola ki bahut tense moments the, all those things happened. But then you see, every man is governed very well by a good, nice lady, as Sapan ji, as I am. And as this soft baby, what I discarded the name Pupus, but this soft baby, now the second baby has come to govern.
Destiny got you guys together. You have to make your own destiny, and I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful one, and we're going to be cheering you on.
Nikhil, I hope you really enjoy growing old with her as much as I have enjoyed growing up with her.
follow you into the moonlight. Fear that makes me strong, I believe.
We just started dating and he cannot wake up early in the morning to save his life. But I really wanted to go for a heritage walk and we didn't know each other that much. It was just 3 months into dating. I was really keen to go for this. So he made sure he was up at 7 a.m. He was there on time. He took the time to get to know my friends. मतलब बेचारा 10 बजे के पहले जो फंक्शन नहीं कर सकता वो पूरा आदमी सोशलाइज कर रहा था. So I mean that was the first ever time I was like, you know, he's a keeper. If he can do that for you, he will do many more things. Like, you know, love is in the little things and he does little things every day.
आसमां से तारे अभी अभी उतारे, तेरे नाम से जुड़े हैं सब यहाँ. खोए खोए रहते हैं तेरे ही ख्यालों में, है नई नई ये दास्तां. हो रहा है दिल में कुछ तेरे लिए, मैं जी रहा हूँ आज बस तेरे लिए. ये शाम है, ये शोर है.
So he told me earlier, much earlier. I think that's how boys are with their mothers. And actually, I happened to meet Vinny when I went to his office. They get along fabulously well, and she really compliments him. I have seen him blossom more since she's come into his life.
And I think he has got the right person.
कि तुम हो तो मैं हूँ, तो फिर है ये अपना जहां.
Put your hands together for Melanie and CK.
तो फिर है ये अपना जहां.
So we have a 3.5 year age gap. Like I've always called her this jokingly that she's my second mother. And that sometimes she's more of a mother. I always had somebody who would protect me, who always had my back. At the same time, she is somebody who can be your harshest critic and also your strongest cheerleader.
चलता हूँ संभल के मैं तेरे ही सहारे, है खफा के रास्ते यहाँ. ये हवा के झोंके बोलते
Sapan has this special way of treating my parents also equally like his own parents. And I saw that in Nikhil. When a person who can love your parents equally to their parents, like no differentiation, he is definitely a good person. I mean, he is a very good boy and he'll take care of her. So I could see your reflection in him many a time.
I feel that most of the girls in their life, consciously or unconsciously, select a partner who's similar to their father. And I have tear-proof mascara today, so no problem.
All the men in my life just see she's good, she's best, we love her. Nikhil apni chahiye do.
I think that Miloni probably, she doesn't realize it, but subconsciously maybe she might have thought about it. And the way I evaluate people is how they treat their parents. If there is love, affection and all that, then generally the character of that person is very sure.
He's a very family-loving person.
Yeah.
That's what I
Very nice, soft and can be tough when he wants to be. But
he's young.
yeah, but he's a very, I think I really love him. She didn't even have to try to convince any one of us. We all felt that he's the one.
For a very long point of time in my life, when it came to romantic relationships, I think I didn't put myself first. And when I started dating Nikhil, the first thing he said is, you have to put yourself first. If you can't do that, then this is not a love worth loving, right? And so every day, whether it's work, whether it's relationships, whether it's exercise, he just inspires me to be the best version of myself. And I think that is love. Because I love myself better because of him.
She was like, Shadi.
The gun point, you see the gun? Where is
And
the
then the gun was there. And then she's like, oh, I want to be engaged for 6 months minimum.
Yeah, there is this cute guy in my office. He flirts with me on and off, but he flirts with everyone.
The first impression when we saw Miloni with Nikhil was, how the fuck did she land him?
And she sends me a screenshot and Nikhil writing, "Hey butterfly, how was your day?" And so she's like, "Do you think he likes me?"
Melanie told me that I'm starting up things with this boy and just watch out for him and tell me what you think at the end of the night. So I very diligently looked at him throughout, observed him throughout that night, and observed obviously how he was with Melanie. And so much so that at the end of the night, Nikhil goes, "Hey, your friend Vanchika was checking me out the entire night."
I think if you were not there, if you were just friends, every decision from post-COVID would have been different for me. And yeah, that is a journey I don't want to think about, because I'm like, okay, I like this. I don't really care about the other possibilities. Honestly, it's just like, okay, abhi ho gaya. It's nice.
मिला हजारों से अखियों च तू ही बसदा लाखों हजारों में सितारा.
I don't know, when you find something that fits you, it fits you, right? And that fit would have never been there if not for Nikhil.
Oh, on top of the world, my little boy, he's going to be wearing the safa and going for the barat. I can't believe it.
That's a very good question. I mean, I'm most excited, obviously, to marry my fiance when I walk down the aisle to see how he's looking at me. And I have a little surprise for him, so we'll see how he reacts to that.
Do you think he'll cry?
100%. It's just a matter of when.
के आगे तेरे सारे वो तारे कुछ नहीं सितारा है तू मेरी मेरी नजर का के आगे तेरे सारे नजारे कुछ
वो एक सेकंड तुम लोग सब भाई हो कि फ्रेंड्स हो? भाई से बढ़कर है। फिर भाई हो गया। अब भाई करना पड़ेगा फिर। खड़े हो। एक तो जूता वहाँ पे पड़ा है उसका। अरे निखिल नीट वेरी रीजनेबल अबाउट दिस। निखिल स्प्लिट द चेक। स्प्लिट द चेक। देना पड़ेगा 95%। अच्छा 60-40। That's the best. For us, obviously. So what ऐसा कहते हैं? We give the show and at the time of when you need to figure out a different strategy only, brother. I would suggest you that. ताकत नहीं मारो। अबे
Dear Nikhil, from that very fun evening in 2019, when you first said that you were going to marry me someday, to that very hot summer day in August 2024 when you said Shadi karegi, you should have known that the answer has always been a yes. And Nikhil, now there's no get out of jail free card. You're locked in forever.
She also cares a lot about everybody, and I respect that a lot, and I want that in my life.
सजना तू जो सजना चल संग चले वही जिसे चाहा हो कोई अपना एक प्यारा आशिया रह लूं मैं संग तेरे हर लम्हे में यूं ही बांधे हैं दिल की डोरियां
I think one promise I will make is that even when the times are hard, I don't think I would give up on us without ever talking to each other about what is hard. That is my promise to you.
सारी रतियां इसमें तेरे चेहरे का है बस खुमा तू जो हो सजना
I think it is tears of happiness.
Absolutely.
I mean, they have not made us feel like we are taking away your daughter. When somebody takes away your thing, then you feel the loss or like the pain, which I never felt.
We knew that she's going into a very nice and very great household.
But I just cried out of happiness. The way they took in my daughter.
सवार ख्वाबानों में बुनिया गिन गिन सारी रतियां उसमें तेरे चेहरे का बस खुमार तू जो सजना
They will ask you for more. It's the point.
Doesn't matter.
तो थोड़ा कम में खत्म करो.
कितने में सेटल हो रहा है? So listen, how about half an hour?
No, what happened? From 60, 40, you have not helped at all.
Wait, we were 60, we were 40, now it's 50.
Don't pretend. He's changing sides. Yeah, with a straight face. Varun is not a part of this conversation. He even said 60-40 कर.
कोई negotiation नहीं है, कितने चाहिए बताओ? 5 लाख.
अच्छा, फिर higher.
ओ निखिल को भेज दो. वापस चल रहे, वापस ना चल. भाई साहब.
They're selling you out for 5 lakhs. बोले हम नहीं दे सकते. 5 lakhs.
5 lakh rupees.
5 lakhs.
Exactly.
Sell yourself. Sell yourself.
मैंने आदित्य को दे दिया, उसने मेरी तरफ से हाँ बोल दिया. ऊपर से जो लेना है वो आदित्य देगा.
आंटी
150 रुपया देगा. आपको ऑप्शन नहीं है.
अभी इसमें जो कम कर
सच में 150 रुपया निकाला बोलो. अपना शेयर निकाल दिया. एक गड्डी मेरी.
See, this is what you
सुन, वो एक मेरा और एक तेरा.
This is what you think. Yeah, give the whole thing, at least.
This is nothing.
Now 100 का क्या ही है?
चल ठीक. एक नोट रख लेते हैं, फिर याद रखूंगा. वो पड़ा हुआ था ना नीचे.
हाँ. Oh.
I feel a lot of joy and happiness when I see her with him, and them together, because they really just bring out the child in each other, and they purposely do certain things together to irritate me, but yeah, it's like having two siblings now.
Chasing trails in firelight, I remember that same night we fell in love all over again.
For reasons unknown to me, I did not know how quickly this would move. So this one time, Melanie was supposed to meet a friend for a cricket match. I know how anxious Nikhil got the entire time. So that is the first time I understood that, okay, Nikhil has something for Melanie. And after she got back from this match, I tactfully asked her, what her views about Nikhil were, and the way she responded, and she had this spark in her eye, and that is when I exactly knew that, okay, this is going to work out.
In the glow of the moonlight, holding you close beside, felt my heart racing, looking in your eyes. To be young and wild and having no cares, it's so different when love is in the air. I've been missing the moments we were there. Take me back in time, and driving through the clouds, and gazing at them stars. It's so beautiful with you.
We know some crazy Nikhil drunk stories, getting off Ubers in the middle of New York, walking on the road, talking to
the ocean.
Walking to the ocean, wanting to cross the river to Jersey, but we will stop here. But yes.
The story ends with Melanie taking him home, so that's really what matters at the end of the day.
Spotting birds and butterflies.
Both the families are now together. They are one. Today is the day when everything that we've been waiting for.
She would always say the most kindest words for Nikhil, and also because I think for the very first time she was receiving as much as she was pouring in.
To be young and wild and having no cares, it's so different when love is in the air. I've been missing the moments we were there. Take me back in time.
He
made it his life's purpose to ensure that he could be there for her, and he molded himself in a way where they could come together.
Driving through the clouds, gazing at them stars. It's so beautiful with you. And diving in the sea when it's just you and me. It's so beautiful with you. Dawns through the night, your hand held in mine.
Yeah, Melanie, we are too drunk.
So please don't mind.
But all the best to you. And congratulations!
You're so beautiful, it's true. When the sun paints the sky, our hearts intertwined. It's so beautiful with you. So beautiful, when it's you and me. So beautiful, so beautiful, when it's just you and me. So beautiful, you're so beautiful, when it's you and me. So I've got this idea, let's hit the freeway, go put the top down. I taste the sunshine, it feels like